Hello everyone, welcome to ComfyEating. Today we are going to make a traditional and heartwarming recipe that's Ela Ada. Ela Ada is very similar to modak or korkate. The variation comes in that this is steamed in a banana leaf. So basically they are thin rice dumplings which is filled with sweet coconut filling and they are steamed in banana leaves. In Kerala, this is eaten as a 4 o'clock snack and served with hot tea. But this is great to be eaten as a breakfast, or also it is great to eat as a sweet for festive seasons. So let's see how to make this simple and yummy dumpling. To start with, we will begin by washing and cutting banana leaves into rectangular pieces. Next, we'll prepare the dough. For this, we will be using rice flour. I'm using the rice flour which I use to make idiyappam or appam. So I've taken 1 cup of rice flour in a bowl. Then add a pinch of salt, and to this we will add 1/3 cup of boiling water. So make sure the water is just off from the stove. It should be steaming hot, and we will pour the water little by little and mix it with a spoon. We will mix thoroughly until the rice flour is completely mixed in the water, and then we will cover the bowl and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Next, in a small pan we will add jaggery. Along with that we will add some water to it and eat the jaggery, and once the jaggery melts we will strain it directly into a pan to remove any impurities. Now once the jaggery syrup starts to boil, we will add 1 cup of grated coconut and we will stir it into the jaggery syrup. We will add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon of black sesame seeds to the mixture, and combine everything well. We will cook for another 1 minute and then switch off the flame. Now our filling is ready. Next, we will keep the steamer ready. We will fill an idli vessel with water and bring it to boil. Meanwhile, we'll check our dough mixture. It must have been cooled a bit. So now we will knead with our hands to make a soft dough. Now take 1 piece of banana leaf and take a small portion of the dough and place it in the center and gently press it to spread thinly and evenly across the leaf. Now wet your fingers to handle the dough easily. So once you wet your hands, this will be more easy to spread. The thinner you spread, the softer and more delicious your dumplings will be. To make it more thin and take the excess dough, you can draw lines by using your fingers like this so that the excess dough comes out. Then you can just cut from the sides using a knife. Next, we will spoon a little of the prepared coconut filling into the center of the dough. Very little filling is needed. We will spread it very thinly, and then we will fold the banana leaf in half to cover the filling and press lightly to seal the edges. So our dumpling is now ready to steam. Similarly, we will prepare the remaining banana leaves by spreading the dough, adding the filling and folding them carefully. One important tip is that we need to always keep the dough covered to maintain its softness while you work on each leaf. So remember to always keep the dough covered. So now we will steam our dumplings. We will place the dumplings in an idli vessel and steam it for about 10 minutes on high heat and then turn off the flame. We will carefully remove the dumplings from the steamer and allow them to cool slightly before you serve. So here our Ela Ada is ready. The soft rice covering, the sweet coconut filling, and the aroma of banana leaves truly makes this dish irresistible. They are perfect when you're craving something homemade and comforting. Give it a try and let me know how you loved it. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more simple and yummy recipes. Thank you for watching.